In this video, I'll show you how to install Kibana on your local environment. As you already know, we don't install Kibana without Elasticsearch. So let's go to the official Elasticsearch website, elastic.co, in the download section. In the download section, first click on Download Elasticsearch. At the time I'm recording this video, the current version is 9.1.4. You can download the latest version directly from this page. If you're interested in an older version of Elasticsearch, you can click here to view past releases. For this course, we'll be working with version 9.1.0. So let's find it under the past releases. Here it is, Elasticsearch 9.1.0. Click Download to get Elasticsearch. You can also select your operating system here. Since I'm using Windows, I'll download the Windows version. If you're using another OS, you can download the corresponding version. For this training, we'll stick with version 9.1.0. Now, on the same download page, elastic.co/download, instead of Elasticsearch, click on Kibana at the top. Just like we did for Elasticsearch, click on View Past Releases to see older versions. We'll search for the same version, 9.1.0. Here it is, Kibana 9.1.0. Go ahead and download it as well. Again, choose your operating system and start the download that matches it. It's important that Elasticsearch and Kibana are on the same version to avoid compatibility issues later on. Once both downloads are finished, open your Downloads folder. You'll see two compressed files, one for Elasticsearch and one for Kibana. In my case, they are zip files. So let's unzip both of them. I'll extract the Elasticsearch file into a folder of my choice. And then do the same for Kibana. After extraction, you'll have two folders, Elasticsearch and Kibana. You can move them wherever you want, preferably to a drive with enough space. I'll move mine to drive D. There they are, Elasticsearch and Kibana. Let's start with Elasticsearch. Open the Elasticsearch folder, then open a terminal window inside it. Run the command bin/elasticsearch. This command starts your Elasticsearch instance. We'll wait a few moments for Elasticsearch to fully start. While waiting, open the Kibana folder as well and open a terminal there too. But let's wait until Elasticsearch is completely up and running before launching Kibana, because Kibana needs to connect to it. You can now see that Elasticsearch has finished starting up. Pay close attention to the console output. You'll see that Elasticsearch provides a password for the default Elastic user. This will be used later to log in. It also gives a token that Kibana will need to connect to Elasticsearch. Copy both pieces of information and save them somewhere safe. We'll need them soon. I'll save mine right here. Now, go to the Kibana terminal window we opened earlier and start Kibana by running bin/Kibana, like this. Kibana will now start. Wait a few minutes for Kibana to load completely. Once it starts, you'll see a link in the console. This is the Kibana URL. Copy that link, open it in your browser, and hit enter. You'll be asked to enter a token to connect Kibana to Elasticsearch. Remember the token we saved earlier? That's what we'll use here. Paste it carefully, make sure there are no spaces, and start the setup. Kibana will now complete its configuration and connect to your Elasticsearch instance. After a few moments, you'll see that the setup is complete. Congratulations, Kibana is now connected to Elasticsearch. Next, you'll be asked to log in. The default Elasticsearch username is Elastic, and the password is the one we saw earlier in the console. Enter that password, the one you saved earlier, and log in.